Today I'm going to tell you about the different types of charters and what they entail so you have a better idea on what you want to book based on the level you are as a sailor. A bareboat charter is when you rent out a boat and you're the sailor. So this basically requires more experience but also allows you to have more, let's say, privacy, if you get what I mean. Wink, wink. So yeah, it does require you to have boating experience. You're in charge of the navigating. You're in charge of the boat itself. So if you're an experienced sailor, this one's for you. Skippered charter is when you rent out a boat and there's somebody there that's going to drive it for you. There's going to be a captain. There's going to be a professional on board. So this is good for people that, don't have the experience of a sailor, but would just love to go on a boat. You don't have to be an experienced sailor to go sailing. And that's why, there's such things as a skippered charter. On to the last, but definitely not the least, a crew charter. It involves renting out a boat with a complete crew. So we're talking about chef, well, most importantly, the captain, then the chef, and also additional crew. So we're talking about the full luxury experience, the full package, let's say, allowing you to just relax and the crew just take care of everything. Sailing, cooking, maintaining, everything is done for you. You just get to enjoy the view. Book through us at compareyachtcharter.com. Now you have all this information, you'll definitely know which one you want to book. Also, follow us for more.